Solve by the method of your choice. Here we have a quadratic equation. We can choose possibly a factoring method, a completing the square, quadratic formula. I think this one is going to be solved nicely using a completing the square method. And I say that because we have a leading coefficient of 1. So let's begin by adding this 1 to both sides, thereby isolating our first two terms and leaving a space for completing the square. To create a perfect square trinomial here, we'll take 1/2 of -2 and square it. 1/2 of -2 is a -1. Quantity squared is +1. So we can create a perfect square trinomial by inserting a +1 on the left. Remember to keep your equation balanced and add 1 to both sides. This left side is going to now factor as p minus 1 times p minus 1, or p minus 1 quantity squared. And we've got that set equal to 2. When we have something squared equal to a number, we can isolate that quantity by taking the square root of both sides. The square root of the left gives p minus 1. As we take the square root of the right-hand side, let's consider both our positive and negative square roots. So p minus 1 is equal to the positive square root of 2, or p minus 1 is equal to the negative of the square root of 2. Adding 1 to both sides, we have p is equal to 1 plus the square root of 2. In our second linear piece, we have p is equal to 1 minus the square root of 2. So our solution set for this quadratic equation, p squared minus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0, consists of the solutions 1 plus or minus the square root of 2.